The simplest popper is made from paper. This popper is made very easily. You can use a regular A4 sheet of paper or colored paper, like in my case, or a regular double sheet from a notebook. First of all, we need to fold this sheet in half. Now we need to bend it again in half. Now we need to fold these edges towards the center. We do this on both sides. Here's what we have so far. Now we need to fold it in half. And fold along the line we already have. Fold it in half again. Like it. Next, we need to unfold this side. And fold it like this. Then unfold it like this. Let me show you a bit closer so it's clear. Here's our second side. We unfold it like this. And we fold the corners. Then this corner goes here. The density is all that is required here, providing additional information. Press it. So we end up with this kind of popper, guys. You take it by this edge in the middle. As you can see, it's folded like this. By this edge and with a sharp flick of the hand, it pops. We take our popper by the edge and with a sharp flick. When it opened up, we stuff everything in. It's a reusable popper for two. Guys, if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and check out all our other New Year crafts in this playlist. Come on in, browse around and give likes. I'm really glad friends create with your own hands and give gifts made by you. They will always be nice.